Everyone is hustling business credit. You got people who are binge on a whole bunch of content, and pretty much everyone is saying the same thing. Get the net 30, register your business, get an LLC, open a bank account, set up an account on Dun and Bradstreet, order some net 30s, and voila, you have entered in the realm of business credit. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that it doesn't have its place. It does. It has its place. But remember, I said we're talking big girl and big boy things here. And so I have yet to figure out how me getting a gas card is going to help me invest in real estate. I have yet to figure out how me getting office supplies from some net 30 vendor is going to help me invest in real estate. It is not. And so that's why I say it's the biggest hustle around.